Wednesday, November 26th, day before Thanksgiving. We get some turkey tomorrow, boys. Alright. Operator complaint. Crank, no start. Check batteries, check key switch. All that signal's good. I checked my starter. When I use my power probe, starter cranks over fine. I got ground, I don't got no power. I need to check these connectors. And right behind these connectors, I think I got a problem right here somewhere. So those connectors are 33 and 34. If you look on here, there's a starter. There's connectors 33 and 34. So man, 33, 34, E10. Oh, there's 10 right there. Let's find E10. So right here, connector 33, 34. I think I got a problem right here on go back up here to the starter. So there's a starter. There's my ground wire, the black. The 306 CH11 green 18 is my power wire. So you follow down this light blue line, comes over here. There it is, 306 CH11 green 18. Then that comes over here, goes right at the connecting point. See the blue comes through. 306 CH11 green 18. Then it turns to 306 CJ4 green 18. So I'm gonna pull apart this connector and see what I got going on in here. Something ain't right. I have power on this side and this side, but something ain't right here. So I'm gonna go check that and go from there.